Pull the wheel off, use a 22mm socket. Take the wheel off. Take the inner fender well out, start with underneath, use a T20 socket. Take these screws out, should be 2 there. There's only 1 on this vehicle. And these right here, take all those out. If you want to, you can just slide this back and then access the light assembly right there. I'm going to take these pins out just to make it easier so you can see it better. Just use a trim tool. Take these out. I'm just going to slide this down and out of the way. There's 3 retainers that are holding the light on. So if you take some needle nose pliers, just squeeze right there, just push it through a little bit. You're going to leave the connector connected until it gets through. And push it from the front. Push it to the front. And disconnect the connector and just push down on the tab and slide it out. With the new light assembly, you can take the bulb out. These are normally test bulbs, so you want to replace this with a new PSX24W. Or reuse your old one. Lock it in place. Now we can install it. Same way it came out. Connect the connector, line it up. Lock it in, that's good. Slide it in position. And just push. You gotta use a little bit of force from the front. There we go. And there is an adjuster on the back side of here. You can use a screwdriver from underneath here. Just show you on the old one. This is the way the adjuster is underneath there. That's where the teeth are. So you take a Phillips head screwdriver, just get underneath here. You can turn it to the right or turn it to the left, and it'll go up and down. Now slide this panel back in place and put the push pins back in. Now I'll put these screws back in. Get them all started first, even the ones underneath, so they all line up. And tighten them all down. Put the tire back on. Now torque the lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check.